Yo, what's up? It's Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com. Today we're going to be doing a bit of an income report. I'm going to try to keep this one short and sweet for you. But $50 today. This is coming from Easy One Up and the FunnelX ROI system. The first income stream is this one right here, Easy One Up. And we had somebody pay twice. I'm not sure why. This guy Nadu, he's got to pay his other fees. So if you're watching this, Nadu, make sure you go in there and pay for your admin fees so that you can become activated. Okay, you got to activate your account. Also, we've got a free account. Somebody's in the trial for this one for GetResponse, which is the second income stream for FunnelX ROI. And there's other income streams, but I'm not going to dive into those right now. There is ROI panel, that's like a click tracker, and then there's affiliate boost and some other stuff. Survey Junkie today, $1.50 there. I think AdSense is like at $1 too, so like at $53 earned today, so it's not too bad, I guess. Subscribers so far today, we reset at 12 o'clock, and that was about an hour ago, so 39 yesterday, 3 today. It's been a slow day. Maybe everyone's kind of stressed out in the States or whatever because of all the shootings that are going on. It's getting a little crazy out there. It's turning into the Wild Wild West. I'm actually feeling like maybe I'll just stay in China instead of going back to America. But we'll see what happens. If things get too crazy over there, I'm definitely not going back. But anyway, you guys know how I get this income. I have my Pinterest account. Let's go video pins. And I'll show you the pin that generates the traffic. What else? Oh, ClickBank. Nothing going on really here today in ClickBank. Few order form impressions, but that doesn't really, I don't really care about that. I want to see the sales. And no sales today. I actually haven't had any sales for a while, at least a week. So hopefully that'll change up and we'll get some people into some programs. Okay, videos. I wanted to load this really quickly and show you the video, but it's moving a little slow. Close these out. Well, 825 so far with this one, boys and girls. That's it. That's not too bad. It's not my best earner, but I'll take it. Come on now. While this is loading, I'll just give you guys a little something I'm working on. I'm doing paid ads. I watched Drell's video on Facebook ads and ClickBank. I pretty much swiped everything that he was doing with that, except that I changed the offer out, so I'm not going to be promoting, the ClickBank product. I'm going to be promoting the Survey Junkie. That's going to be, I think it's going to be, it's going to have a higher conversion rate because it's just for leads. Like the person only needs to submit their email account, maybe take another action, and then I'll get paid $1.50 for that. So that's pretty much easier. And if the click is only, let's say I'm paying like 15-20 cents a click, and if someone joins, then I don't know where I'm going with that, but basically the clicks are going to be cheaper than the leads. So alright, this is taking way too long. I didn't want to make this video too long for you guys today, but there it goes. There it goes. Not any of those. Here's that Amazon pin. I wonder how that's going. Let me check that really quick. Amazon. Right here. This is that pin that's getting me these sales. Let me go to payments here. These are all the payments I've gotten except for the blog specialist bootcamp. Elevation, elites, those are all from Easy One Up. Originating mostly from this pin. There's a couple other, there's some other static pins that are bringing traffic to the offer or the landing page. I'll show you the landing page too while I log into this one. still at 72 cents. Let me see if there's any more clicks over here. Because I might start doing more of those type of posts. This is the landing page for Funnel X ROI. And they go from here to here, trying to keep David in the loop. But also I want to let them know that you know, I'm involved instead of it just being David. So that's why I put this "You're invited by Andrew Slayton" up there. But yeah, this one's getting more clicks. It seems more clicks more often. Get some couple bucks rolling in there, and then all that stuff start adding up. And you know, eventually we'll get to the goal. This is the goal right here. I'm so happy and grateful for the fact that I'm earning over $10,000 every month. You guys should definitely get yourself some motivation, some kind of like a mantra that you say every day, or what do they call it? Affirmation. You know, so every time I open the computer, I'll look at this and think about my goals. I want to be playing golf with my son, Arthas. And I want to get a nice house in America. If things cool off out there, if people are shooting each other up left and right, then I'm definitely not trying to go back there with my family. It's not like that all over America. I'm sure there's nice places still, like Utah and Idaho probably don't have a big problem with this, with all the shooting, because you know, the people there are more religious, just less crime and stuff like that. But anyway, my wife wants to get this car. I like motorcycles. So I want to get a nice little motorcycle like this one, maybe something like that. Really like Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's always been my favorite SUV, and I really like this color, so that's what I'm going for. And then I want to take my wife and my son and myself to see the Northern Lights, and then some snowboarding and stuff. That's what I'm into. So that's just a little bit about me to end the video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video when we've got either some more income to report or some way to make money or something like that. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Peace, love, and paychecks. Let's gain this grain. Adios.